Today, Keddie is returning to normal. The Sharp house is still sealed tight, a big, if not the only, clue in that case. 7 investigators have been working almost full-time on the murder. 400 witnesses across the nation have been interrogated. Dog search teams, helicopters, scientific analysis of 216 bits of information, the State Department of Justice, the FBI, and yet no break, no major clues, no sign of Tina.
It's been very frustrating. It's been a long time since April, and we've all worked very hard and put in a lot of man hours and interviewed hundreds of people. And this has been very frustrating that we haven't solved the case.
Those who lived in Keddie when the bludgeoning took place are recovering from their horror. Only 1 resident moved away. 120 stayed, but they still wonder.
You still can't fathom why it happened. You've read all the reports on how it happened, but why? It's still incredible. They were a nice family, nice people, and there's nothing tangible you can say, okay, I understand, this is why it happened.
Sheriff Ken Shanks and his officers never had a homicide and kidnap case this big, this bizarre, so they went for help. They came here to the State Department of Justice, to one of 14 labs throughout California. 216 bits of evidence from the Keddie murders were analyzed, and DOJ investigators have been in Plumas County interviewing witnesses and looking for clues in the murder cabin. At least 2 state-funded criminologists have been on the case since the beginning and will remain. $54,000 in state costs so far.
We've been there in excess of 3 months, and we've expended more than 1,200 hours up there by agent personnel alone, not counting laboratory services. We're still up there, and we'll be there until we exhaust every lead.
As major crimes seem to hit the small counties more and more, the Department of Justice is getting more requests for help, for manpower, for the special scientific knowledge and equipment needed to find the clues that hopefully will lead to convictions. For Sheriff Shanks, though, investigating the Keddie murder without state help would have been a big headache.
It would sure be hard. They've just been fantastic. They've done a lot for us, very dedicated, and we really appreciate what they've done.
$3.5 million in tax money is spent running investigations in labs like this, but their conviction rate is high, higher than it would have been if the small counties had to solve those crimes themselves. I'm John Iender, Newswatch 13 at the Department of Justice Crime Lab in Sacramento.